So we're about to pull the intake off, and it's got these weird studs and stuff, and we got to looking. Maybe you can look way back in there. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got project giveaway car stuff going on today, boys. As you can hear, we got her out. She's idling. You can hear she got a little choppy chop. But we've got a miss too.
Yeah, number one's missing.
Is it number one?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna have to check that out, see what's going on. But we're gonna try the old school Seafoam trick because the motor's gummed up. It's sat a long time. Doesn't idle all that great. Well, I mean, it's idling great now. So we're gonna do the Seafoam trick, see how that works, and we're also gonna bypass that Smog pump because right now it doesn't feel very heavy. We did bump the timing up, so it feels a little better. But we're gonna dump some Seafoam through this, maybe smoke out the whole county, see what we can get out of it. All right, purge line cut. Clean this bad boy up. Question is it going to smoke the neighborhood out? We'll see. Pulling it. Nothing yet. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. So the smoke's starting to clear up a little bit, and it's definitely wanting to idle a little better. We got a fresh tank of 93 in it too. Yeah, see, it's settling down and idling better. Lots better. That is it. Oh my God.
She's pretty black in there.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's probably part of the reason it didn't want to idle.
Good clean in the hip.
Yeah.
This plug, I guess we get the belt off.
Yeah, it's full of oil. It's just definitely need a changing. Yeah, that's what does, you know, they sit for a long time. Good God. Yeah, need some throttle body cleaner in there. Not carburetor cleaner, throttle body cleaner. And yeah, so we also, guys, got the 84.5 inch belt. I get asked all the time, what's the Smog pump bypass belt? There it is, 84.5.
Pretty old.
Yeah. Yeah, I noticed also it's got one of those phenolic spacers, heat spacer on the intake.
Oh, there.
Did we check the injector?
Yeah, it's plugged up.
Yeah, it's plugged up good and tight.
It ain't oily, huh?
It's black.
It used to be old injector or something not doing.
Yeah. So we're about to pull the intake off, and it's got these weird studs and stuff, and we got to looking. Maybe you can look way back in there. Those are nozzle hookups, are they not?
Looks like.
Those are freaking nitrous nozzle. Jeez Louise. So we knew it had this spacer, but yeah, we're about to pull this upper plenum. I'm almost positive that's what that is, and they just tried to stuff something in it and plug it. That'd be like that.
No, it's only been drove to church on Sunday.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, by my grandma. All right, we're gonna get this thing off. See if this thing actually has a nitrous plate on it.
Couple vacuum lines still.
It's always hangs up on that.
Oh yeah, I got that new gas stud too. Remember sticking up through here?
Oh yeah. Oh. That's why I didn't want to pull
This is
off.
gonna have to come over. There we go. So I can get past this stud.
Almost. Keep
That's
it
a
even.
nitrous plate.
Is it really? Yep. He's got the spray bottle. Oh my god. It's still hooked on.
There we go.
There you go.
It's hanging over there. The vacuum line.
Who'd have thought our little stock Mustang had freaking nitrous on it?
Secrets.
Man. See, that's why you don't ever trust a Fox body guy. You know why? Because of stuff like this. There it is. Look, they probably think we're kidding. I mean, that bitch is still hot.
Yes, that stud.
Yeah, it's like it's gotta be even all the way up.
It's hot as fuck.
Yeah. Hot as shit. Whew. Right. There we go. We'll turn it sideways. Yeah, these freaking things are actually pretty damn expensive. And look, there's like, it's like tissue stuck in it.
Something, yeah.
Yeah, that wouldn't be a vacuum leak or anything, would it?
You can help it now. No?
I bet it freaking idles better now. Jeez Louise.
You said it's gonna idle better with some jets in it?
Yeah. Jeez Louise, yeah. So our clean stock little Fox body is actually a nitrous car.
They didn't put that cam in ever done, no?
Yeah, exactly. And that stall and that C4, the story is starting to come out. Here's that stud. It's bent.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't see no name on here.
There it is. Yeah, I know we got some stock intake bolts. Let's put it back.
Stock intake, but we're gonna put this back on there.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Cool. All right, guys. So definitely a unique turn of events. As you can clearly see, I'm still a little blown away. There's no telling how long this has been on there. I mean, this thing is...
Slide under your sleeve.
There's no telling how long this thing's been there. Pretty cool, but yeah, that's your spray bar. Fuel and your nitrous cylinder line hookups. On a completely stock motor. Unreal. So basically the plan is, guys, we're gonna go ahead and pull all the injectors out, and Dover's got that epic machine. You stick it in there and it cleans them and flows them and does all kinds of cool stuff. So, and if one of them's bad, I mean, we've probably got 100 of them out here floating around, so no worries there. Clean all the stuff out from the valley.
Swipe Chris's new 30 pounds. Huh?
Yeah, we'll put your 30s in there and spray a 250 shot.
That's it. I want to see it.
Yeah, dude, we might wheel. This thing might wheelie with that C4 and the stall. Shoot.
I want to see it. I'll donate the.
We'll take this thing to the horsepower factory, get the tune kind of dialed in, take it out to the track. It might run with a stock Coyote. Who knows? But yeah, guys, that's that is the what.
This injector over here rusty.
Yeah, which we brought a bag in of more 19, so that's the plan. Gonna get those flowed and then we'll kind of put everything back together, but got a little bit of progress and definitely some interesting finds on the giveaway car. So you never know, especially with the Fox body, guys. You never freaking know. So that is the what. If you want to be part of the premium subscription, Link is always down below if you're on YouTube, and right above your head if you're on Facebook. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you're at Ford Takeover May 7th and 8th. I rated out the track and the horsepower factory. It's going to be freaking epic, and I'm losing my mind trying to make sure every detail is there, but it's going to be amazing, and I can't wait to see all you guys. It's going to be awesome. So everybody have a good one. Smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. We'll catch you on the next one.